This is the Flatiron by Gerber. Unique cleaver style blade is ideal for heavy duty chopping tasks or close-in detail work. 7CR stainless steel is tough and resists corrosion. The Flatiron is available in desert tan textured G10 composite or gray anodized aluminum. A thumb hole in the blade makes it quick and easy to deploy. An oversized choil on the blade gives you precision control. A frame lock with integrated over-travel disc gives you secure, confident lockup and is easy to close. It comes with a short pocket clip, positioned for tip-up carry. The Flatiron is a versatile, practical, everyday knife with a completely unique look.
Knives are man's most basic tool, and I carry a knife in my pocket and always have forever. My name is Philip Booth. I'm from Ithaca, Michigan. This is the Rip Snort. I've made knives for going on 25 years. I started in this business a painter and a printmaker. I still do printmaking, but man, it's this knife making that's the best. I am thrilled to have Columbia River making my knives. This Rip Snort, we're talking about a serious everyday carry. Man, you can do anything with this knife. Cuts hard. It has a gently curving cleaver style blade, which gives it a ferocious cutting edge. It's tough guy stuff. Fits in the hand, not too large, not too heavy, not too long, not too small. One hand operation. Flips open with a finger. Also locks with a liner lock. The liner comes across the back of the blade. It's easily closed. The locks are very secure, very tight, no wiggle. Stainless steel accent on the handle was put into my custom knives because I like repeating shapes. Columbia River just nails these inlays and they're the exact same angle. Man, it makes it look good. My name is Philip Booth. This is the Rip Snort.
Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and this is the Asada. If you think a cleaver only belongs in the kitchen, think again. We took the classic shape and amped it up for daily use, no matter where that takes you. The finger flipper deployment is seamless with Boss Tech. The ball bearing system delivers smooth, consistent opening every time. The Asada is an EDC folding knife that was designed with style in mind. It's got a cleaver style blade. The full plain edge and classic shape are perfect for utility tasks, big and small. The frame lock is easy to operate with a patented pinch plate. This keeps the user's fingers off the lock bar, ensuring positive deployment. We incorporated fresh trends, colors, and materials to induce some serious blade envy. It's available in 2 blade materials, 7CR stainless steel or D2. Handle material options include anodized aluminum or micarta. If you're looking to make a statement, look no further. If you're looking to make your friends jealous, we've got you covered there too. The Asada is the perfect daily carry if you're looking to take your pocket style up a few notches. And like all Gerber products, the Asada is backed by the Gerber guarantee.
Today at CRKT, we're taking a look at the sleek and simple Pilar. It's an everyday carry pocket knife that those with a well-trained eye can tell this is a Jesper Voxnäs design. He's always wanted to keep things simple, yet interesting. The unique blade shape of the Pilar is great for a wide range of slicing, cutting, and moderate chopping tasks. Overall, this knife measures in at just under 6 inches. The blade is about 2.4 inches long, and this is a compact knife that's lightweight. The weight is about 4.2 ounces, and that's 119 grams. This modified Wharncliffe blade style is complete with a satin finish that complements the overall design of the knife well. It also has a large, comfortable finger choil at the base of the blade to give you maximum cutting control. The frame lock keeps the blade lockup solid and safe when open, and the thumb slot here on the blade makes it super easy when opening and closing. The stainless steel handle has an attractive bead blast finish, and it feels really solid in hand. A reversible clip on the handle side makes for a low-profile tip-up or tip-down carry. There's also a hole at the base of the handle for a lanyard. The story behind the name on this one is pretty cool. Jesper named it after a famous author, Ernest Hemingway's 38-foot-long boat that he used for renegade surveillance of German U-boats during World War II in the Caribbean. Apparently it was Jesper's thought that if Hemingway himself were to choose a modern and useful everyday carry knife, it would look something like this one, so he named it the Pilar. Join us in our social media community. Use hashtag #ConfidenceInHand. And thank you for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.